If you are trying to remove a saved Wi-Fi network on your Onn Roku 4K Smart TV, but you can't find the option, here's the quickest way to reset your Roku network settings and clear your old wireless connection. So let's see how. So first, from your Roku home screen, go to Settings, then you have to select Network. So under About, you can see your Roku TV is already connected to a Wi-Fi network. So if you go to Setup Connection and Wireless, you might see network you were connected to before and the password is already saved, but you can forget them directly from here. So don't worry, just go back to Settings, then select System, and from here you have to go to the option Advanced System Settings. Now you will get the option Network Connection Reset. Just select it and your Roku TV will show that it's resetting the network connection and will automatically restart. So this will clear all saved network settings. After the restart, go back to the settings and then network, and from About, you will see your Roku TV is not connected to the internet. So now go to Setup Connection, then Wireless, and now choose your Wi-Fi network from here and enter your password to connect. You will notice the old saved password is gone, meaning your network has been successfully reset. And that's it. This is how you can reset network settings, forget saved Wi-Fi, and set up a new wireless connection on your Onn Roku 4K Smart TV. Make a like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.